You know, each year about this time, I like to start digging through all my research and try and figure out what I'm going to present as my poster abstract. Huh. You know, this sand makes me think of Aladdin and all of his buddies. What a crazy adventure they had, right? What to do though? You know, that genie he was stuck in that lab for so long, I can't believe his name didn't end up on the NamUs registry. Genealogy. That's it. That's it. I will do my presentation on genealogy. You know, nary a day goes by that someone isn't talking about a new Jane Doe or John Doe that has been identified, or a cold case that's been cracked. Genealogy, genetic genealogy would be awesome. Speaking of, have you seen the Missing Piece series that my friends at ISHI and the folks at Othram have been working on? No? Well, you can check it out at the ISHI YouTube channel. And hey, do not forget, but you need to submit your poster abstracts by July 12th. We're looking forward to seeing them.